In the annals of military aviation, some aircraft become legends, redefining technology and pushing the boundaries of air dominance. The Lockheed Martin X-44 MANTA, though never operational, stands as a testament to innovation. Shrouded in secrecy, it was a radical departure from conventional fighter design. Envisioned as a leap beyond the F-22 Raptor, the X-44 promised to reshape air combat. Though it never flew, its legacy continues to inspire the future of stealth technology. To understand the genesis of the X-44 MANTA, we must journey back to the cauldron of the Cold War. The United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a perilous stalemate, each side vying for technological supremacy. Out of this struggle emerged the Advanced Tactical Fighter or ATF program, a U.S. Air Force initiative aimed at developing a next-generation air superiority fighter to counter emerging threats from Soviet aircraft like the MiG-29 and Su-27. Lockheed's legendary Skunk Works division, renowned for its groundbreaking designs like the U-2 spy plane and the SR-71 Blackbird, took on the ATF challenge with characteristic zeal. They envisioned a fighter that would not only outperform its adversaries in traditional metrics like speed and maneuverability, but would also render them virtually invisible to enemy radar. The ATF program ultimately gave birth to the F-22 Raptor, a technological marvel that set a new standard for air dominance. However, even as the F-22 was taking shape, the seeds of an even more radical concept were being sown. This concept, the X-44 MANTA, aimed to take the stealth and performance advantages pioneered by the F-22 to an entirely new level. At the heart of the X-44 MANTA's radical design lay a seemingly simple yet profoundly impactful decision: the elimination of the tail. This tailless configuration, while not entirely new to aviation, had never been attempted on a fighter jet with the ambitious performance goals of the X-44. The absence of a tail brought with it a cascade of aerodynamic challenges, but it also offered an unprecedented opportunity to minimize the aircraft's radar signature. The X-44's tailless design was more than just a visual departure from traditional fighters, it was the cornerstone of its stealth capabilities. By eliminating the vertical stabilizers, the X-44's designers were able to create a continuous, flowing surface that deflected radar waves away from the aircraft. This blended wing body design, reminiscent of the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, significantly reduced the X-44's radar cross-section, making it appear as small as a bird on enemy radar screens. The X-44's stealthy shape was further enhanced by the use of radar-absorbent materials and carefully sculpted engine inlets that concealed the jet's turbine blades from enemy radar. These innovations, combined with the tailless design, made the X-44 a truly elusive target, capable of penetrating heavily defended airspace undetected. The X-44 MANTA's revolutionary design wasn't just about stealth, it was about achieving an unprecedented level of agility as well. With no tail to provide stability and control, the X-44 relied on an advanced system known as thrust vectoring. This technology allowed the pilot to direct the exhaust from the aircraft's engines, effectively using them to steer the plane. Thrust vectoring, while not a new concept in the late 1990s, was still in its infancy. The X-44 MANTA was envisioned as a testbed for pushing the boundaries of this technology, exploring its potential to enhance maneuverability and control, especially in the absence of traditional control surfaces. The X-44's thrust vectoring system would allow the aircraft to perform rapid turns, high angle of attack maneuvers, and other aerial feats that would be impossible for a conventional fighter jet. The combination of a tailless design, thrust vectoring, and advanced flight control systems promised to make the X-44 MANTA incredibly agile in the air. It would be able to outmaneuver its opponents with ease, evading enemy fire and gaining a tactical advantage in combat. This agility, coupled with its stealth capabilities, would make the X-44 a truly formidable opponent in the skies. The X-44 MANTA, despite its focus on stealth and maneuverability, was designed to be a potent weapon system in its own right. It was envisioned as a multi-role fighter, capable of engaging both air and ground targets with a variety of advanced munitions. The X-44's primary armament was to be a 20mm internal cannon, providing a versatile close-in weapon system for dogfights and strafing runs. Beyond its cannon, the X-44 MANTA was designed to carry a formidable arsenal of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, Internal weapons bays, crucial for maintaining its stealthy profile, would house a combination of AIM-9 Sidewinder heat-seeking missiles for short-range engagements and AIM-120 AMRAAM radar-guided missiles for beyond visual range combat. This combination would give the X-44 the flexibility to engage enemy aircraft at various ranges and in different combat scenarios. For ground attack missions, the X-44 MANTA was designed to carry precision-guided munitions such as the GBU-32 JDAM, or Joint Direct Attack Munition. These GPS-guided bombs would allow the X-44 to strike enemy targets with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing collateral damage. The X-44's combination of stealth, speed, and precision strike capabilities would make it a valuable asset in a wide range of combat operations. Despite its promise and the revolutionary technologies it embodied, the X-44 MANTA program never progressed beyond the drawing board. In the year 2000, facing budget constraints and shifting priorities within the Department of Defense, the U.S. Air Force made the difficult decision to cancel the X-44 MANTA program. The end of the Cold War had brought about a reassessment of defense spending, and the X-44, as ambitious and promising as it was, fell victim to these budgetary realities. Though the X-44 MANTA never took to the skies, its legacy continues to shape the future of air combat. The program's focus on Tailless designs, advanced stealth technologies and innovative flight control systems like thrust vectoring has had a profound impact on subsequent aircraft development. The X-44's DNA can be seen in the design of modern unmanned aerial vehicles and in the conceptualization of sixth-generation fighter jets. The X-44 MANTA's influence is perhaps most evident in the U.S. Air Force's next-generation air dominance program. This ambitious program, intended to develop a successor to the F-22 Raptor, incorporates many of the key design philosophies explored in the X-44 program. The NGAD fighter is expected to feature a tailless design, advanced stealth capabilities, and a heavy reliance on artificial intelligence and autonomous systems. The X-44 MANTA, though it never took flight, stands as a symbol of bold experimentation in aviation. Its radical ideas continue to inspire engineers and shape the future of air combat. The X-44's legacy is a testament to the relentless pursuit of technological advancement. Though confined to blueprints, it guides future generations to dream big and challenge convention. The skies of tomorrow will be shaped by the silent legacy of the X-44 MANTA.